How to copy paste text between Android and Windows PC? For that, first of all, you have to open the Play Store and you have to install Microsoft SwiftKey, which is written Microsoft SwiftKey AI Keyboard. Just the application looks like this. Tap on install and you have to install it on your device. Now, once the application gets installed, you have to tap on open. So once the application has been opened, the two things you have to do is on this welcome screen of Microsoft SwiftKey, you have to tap on enable SwiftKey and you need to toggle on the button of Microsoft SwiftKey. The next thing you need to do is you need to tap on select SwiftKey and here you need to tap on Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard. Now let's tap and try your keyboard. Now you need to allow Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard to send you notification if you wish to. And here at the top you can see account. You need to sign in to get the most out of Microsoft SwiftKey. So you need to sign in to your Microsoft account which is logged into your laptop or PC. So both the accounts should be same. Let's tap on account and you need to tap on sign in with Microsoft. So here you have to enter the same email which is on your PC as well. Once you have entered, tap on next button. Now you have to enter the code that you have been received to your email. You can also use your password instead of that. Now let's click on sign in button. So the sign in process has been successful. So tap on OK. So if you want to share data, you can click on yes button or you can also click on no. Now on this section, you need to tap on the keyboard icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here tap on clipboard and go to the settings of clipboard at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here you need to click on seeing clipboard history. So toggle on the button. Now once you have done that, you have to open settings on your PC or laptop. So once you are on the laptop, you need to go to settings. On the search bar, you can search settings and you can open the settings page. Make sure to sign in to the same account. So on this search bar, you need to type in clipboard and press enter on the keyboard. Now on this section, you have to click on clipboard settings and make sure to toggle on clipboard history. And the next thing you need to do is you need to click on get started, which is written as here across the devices. So click on get started and here you need to verify your identity. Now you need to enter the code that you have received on your email. You need to open your email and enter the code that you have received. And once you have done that, click on verify button. So here you need to click on automatically sync text that I copy. So once you have done that, you need to open the notepad or notes on your PC, and after that you need to type in here something. Then after you have typed in any text, you need to copy this by clicking on Ctrl C. Once it is copied, you need to hit on the mobile. Then on your mobile device, when you open the notes and on the keyboard, you need to tap on clipboard, and on that clipboard you can easily find copy text from your PC. So that's how we can easily copy paste text between Android and Windows PC. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.